Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can block someone on Field app. So first of all, to let you know, Field app does not allow you to block someone. However, it allows you to disconnect with someone. So to do so, you need to first of all open your Field app. So once your Field app gets opened up, you will end up in its homepage where you can find different people's profile. So once you end up in a profile, you need to first of all click on the conversation like icon or the chat box on the bottom menu bar. Once you are here, you need to simply tap on the specific person whom you want to get disconnected with. So once you select the person, you need to simply open their profile and there you can find the disconnect option. So once you press on the disconnect option, you will get disconnected with your person and they can't text you back from now. However, to do this, you need to give a reasoning for it and press on the disconnect button. And this is how you simply get disconnected with the person on the Field app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.